There are many pruning saw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pruning saws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Rexpeedy Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. Full size is nearly 28 inches, and folding size is 14 inches. Weight only 14.5 ounces. Its folding design makes it convenient for storage and transport. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, camping, or most serious woodcrafts. Durable hardened SK5 steel blade for efficient cutting during camping, survival, bushcraft, after landscaping, and general yard work. Equipped with a heavy-duty, rugged 14-inch long blade, the working speed is 5 times faster than a normal-sized saw. The 4-inch blade is ideal for cutting 7-10 diameter branches. Aggressive staggered teeth, 5.5 TPI, with 4 cutting angles allow ultra-smooth and sharp sawing, helping you power through thick branches faster and easier. Comfortable and longer 8-inch rubber-coated polymer handle ensures a firm grip in any weather condition. Ensure you select the correct size according to your needs. If the size is not suitable, you are welcome to exchange it for another size. Number 4. Prune Pro Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. Crafted with SK5 steel, Prune Pro folding saw slices smoothly through wood with reliable strength. It features a corrosion-resistant, chrome-plated finish for long-lasting performance. Adjust the blade across 3 locking angles to adapt to different cutting situations. A secure lock keeps the pruning saw's blade firmly in place during use for steady, controlled cutting. Designed for easy carry and storage, the handsaw for wood cutting folds compactly and includes a hanging hole. Tuck it into a pouch or pocket when not in use, ideal for on-the-go tasks. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip even during prolonged use. The shape of the camping saw fits naturally in your hand, reducing slippage and improving control. The triple-cut blade is designed for aggressive and smooth sawing. It handles diverse cutting challenges with ease, making the Prune Pro foldable pruning saw a reliable partner for gardening, camping, and crafts. Number 3. Easy KUT Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. Make the Easy Cut Wow Saw your go-to tree pruner. Its ergonomic non-slip rubber grip is built for comfort and safety. The metal-on-metal locking system locks open and closed for ultimate safety. Stay safe while using this folding pruning saw and remain comfortable during extended use. The handsaw blades are built to last with their taper-ground hard chrome-plated SK4 Japanese-style steel blade. Built with long-lasting impulse-hardened teeth for superior durability and lasting sharpness. Make this one of the garden tools you depend on every season because of its durability and toughness. Professional, tough, and lightweight, this pruning saw is the perfect gift as a handsaw for women and men as part of their gardening hand tools. Also perfect for hunting, camping, landscaping, trail riding, and snowmobiling. Number 2. Lagom Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. This made-in-Taiwan folding hand saw doesn't rush. It asks for presence. Whether you're trimming a stubborn branch in the garden or out on a quiet camp morning gathering wood, it's a reminder that slowness can still be strong. Its 3-gear lock design that holds the saw firmly in place. Open when you're working, closed when you're not. Because when you're out in the elements, your tools shouldn't second-guess you. A mini cutter with a purpose. Lightweight, foldable, and ready when the work finds you. Whether you're held up in a tree, elbows deep in your gardening bed, or miles from anything on a bushcraft trail, this isn't just for the backcountry. It belongs in the garden, in your camping pack, in the glove box. Wherever pruning, trimming, or thoughtful clearing needs to happen, this portable hand saw shows up. Number 1. Mossy OAK Pruning Saw. Rating 4.6. This folding saw is built with a D6A and M2 bimetal blade for superior sharpness and hardness. The Teflon-coated hand saw blade reduces friction, resists rust, and extends service life. Ideal for heavy-duty wood cutting and outdoor survival use. The 7-inch pruning saw features 7 TPI triple-ground teeth, delivering aggressive and efficient cutting power. Perfect for tree trimming, gardening, bushcraft, backpacking, camping, and survival tasks. Designed with safety in mind, the blade locks automatically when fully opened. No exposed teeth when folded. Carry and use this folding camp saw with confidence for hunting, firewood cutting, and outdoor adventures. Enjoy comfort and control with the lightweight, non-slip handle. The handle hole allows attachments for versatile use. This handsaw is a must-have tool for hunters, campers, gardeners, and anyone needing a reliable survival saw. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.